Italy is famous for its cars. It had an amazing car industry back in the 50s and 60s, and until today, Fiat is a world-renowned car company. And so, car collectors here in Italy are thriving because there are so many antique cars and for relatively good prices. So today we're going from Tuscany to the area of Frosinone, which is right after Rome. We're gonna go all there to meet Giovanni, who is a car collector, and he has some amazing cars to show us. What do you say? Let's go. Okay guys, I just parked here in this little town called Bolvile Ernica, and just right off the bat, look at this. Oh my god, you can see Lazio. It's just breathtaking. And here in Bolvile Ernica is where our collector Giovanni, the car collector, lives. Now I'm here to check out the coolest car ever made, if you ask me, and it's called the Isetta by BMW. Originally it wasn't made by BMW, they bought them later, but this car was manufactured in the 50s and 60s. Very few cars were made, but to me it's the coolest, cutest, and just breathtaking car. The thing is, it's so rare, it's so hard to find it even here in Italy and in a working condition. So when I found out that Giovanni here, our friend, has one, I reached out and he was generous enough to invite me and check it out. So I'm very excited and hopefully we can join him for a ride in the countryside.
Pensate, questa è una bufala.
Ma come?
Ma data con bufala. Ora andiamo a sta Isetta adesso.
Ok. Da tanto tempo che ti piace?
Sono 15 anni che restauro, vendo, compro. Poi queste cose vengono strada facendo.
È una malattia?
Cominci con uno e poi non ti fermi più.
Questo è il garage segreto.
Ne sta pure aperto.
Wow, non ci credo.
Isetta del 56.
Ok.
È molto rara perché è stata fatta da gennaio 56 a ottobre 56. Questa la produceva la ISO italiana. Dopodiché, siccome era troppo avveniristica, troppo moderna per l'epoca qui in Italia.
In quale senso?
Non si vendeva, non hanno venduto tanti pezzi, hanno venduto tipo 1500, mi pare, 1500 pezzi.
In bocca al lupo.
Allora, facciamo operazione di messa in moto.
Oh my god. Quelli funzionano?
Questi?
Sì.
Ecco.
Bello. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna show you around the Isetta. So here we are inside. It's pretty small, but somehow it does feel spacious. Here in the back you have a place to put your stuff if you want. Now here you have the gear shift, the handbrakes. Now this thing, as Giovanni explained to us, is actually a heater. So it generates heat from the engine. And if you want, you can open it and the heat comes into the car. So in wintertime, you're very warm and cozy. Now if we shut down the door, let's shut it down. Just look at this. This is ingenious. How the wheel moves as the door is being shut. and we shut it like so. Just look at this mechanism. And here you have the wheel, the two levers that control, I guess, the winkers and the windshield cleaner. You have your speed, your kilometer, of course the honk, which doesn't work, I guess, when the engine is off. And this is practically it, guys. There's a little mirror here. It's very cute. And another one to the left. But that's it. To the right you have no mirror. This opens, as we saw earlier. The roof can be opened. And that's it. That's the Isetta. Just look how gorgeous and beautiful it is. And here it is. And you just step out. Now we're gonna take a look at the engine. So there's a little door here, and you unscrew the lock. There it is. Wow. What a work of art. Bosch, obviously.
Puoi andare alla superstrada, all'autostrada volendo.
Sì? Anche oggi in Italia?
Sì, sì.
Puoi andare in autostrada con questo?
Questa è autovettura, sì. Questa è
Per il bagaglio?
per i grandi viaggi.
Eh sì.
Per mettercela da lì.
Eh sì. Bella bella. If you want to buy this Isetta, guys, I'll put a link down below. Giovanni is selling it. So if you're interested, you can have it. I'll put the link down below for you to check it out. And yeah. E guarda.
È bella!
Piacete?
È una macchina vecchissima, mi ha detto mio nipote.
Sì.
È una
Macchina vecchissima.
Eh sì.
Come l'hai visto tu che era vecchissima?
Giovanni, sei grande. Ti ringrazio. In bocca al lupo. È stato bello.
Anche a te.
Guys, see you in the next one.